Video, probably not a quick one. Something I just want to faff around with. So I was watching a video on Reels, and someone said if you want to keep your oil clean while cooking, put in some carrots. And I was like, what a load of rubbish that is. So I cooked some fish last night. Was it last night? Yeah, last night. The oil's a little bit messy, and I'm peeling carrots today. So let's put in some carrot peelings and kind of see if it kind of cleans the oil up a bit. I can't imagine it will. Maybe I should have filtered the oil before I kind of did it because there's some bits in the bottom. But let's just drop some carrot peelings in, give them a stir around, and see if anything kind of happens. I can't imagine that these carrots are sometimes going to keep this oil clean. I suppose it's kind of quite, you have to cook the carrots in with whatever you're cooking, which is going to be a bit silly. And then this idea that it's actually going to clean the oil or keep it clean, and I think what a little rubbish. So it's not like it's going to, these carrots aren't going to filter the oil or anything like that, because cooking these carrots in this oil is going to make the oil worse. So I just kind of thought, well, we'll do it while I'm here, and we've got this oil, and it was fish. It was very nice actually. It was the cheap stuff from the supermarket, so the cheap pollock fillets, pollock fillets, and I battered them, and it's surprisingly good for frozen fish. Surprisingly good. I mean, no way it was ever going to be as good as a fresh bit of line caught haddock, but nice all the same. And pollock is in with the cod family, although I'm not a huge fan of cod. Certainly not in fish and chips. Anyway, so we've done that. They are. We'll be able to see. I'll be able to judge it. I've got a good eye for these things, I think. Well, no, that's how it's going. Not going, but I don't think there's any difference in that whatsoever. I need a better thing than that. Yeah, just slightly getting older, and the difficult to. I need glasses, but I need like the lowest magnification of glasses just to read. I don't think that's made any difference. Maybe it's made a little bit. No, that's not made any difference whatsoever. No, that's not made any difference. I don't think so. Anyway, maybe it has actually. Maybe it has. Maybe I should do a better experiment. Anyway, maybe they've picked up some little bits of sediment. Maybe it's a little bit better. Maybe. Hang on. We'll rest that on there, and we'll just get the container of oil. Hang on. Yeah, that's not made any difference. That's not made any difference at all. It's not kept it cleaner. It's not cleaned it up. So therefore, don't believe anything you watch on the internet, including my videos.